everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel. My name is Canan and I went to Primark like last week I guess, and I did a huge Primark haul. Check that out if you want to. I got an amazing eyeshadow and like face palette from Alice in Wonderland. It did cost me €12 and it's literally so beautiful. It's this gorgeous baby right here, and yeah, I thought of testing this with you guys and doing like some swatches. So if you want to see what this palette looks like, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I think it's super cute. You actually open it like this, and then you have like a mirror as well on top of it, and like Alice right here. So these are the eyeshadow palettes, and then you can actually just open this baby right here, and then you got like two lip glosses. I didn't actually see them on the test at Primark because they put these out, I guess, and wow, it's super cute. There's Alice and this, like, I forgot the name of it, but this cat with the giant smile. And yeah, these are like highlighters. I think you can use these for blush as well. So that's like the first color. I think it's super cute. So yeah, this is what they look like on my finger. This was the color I did swatch like at Primark, and it was super cute. This red is also super cute. And you can use this as a highlighter as well. Like, these swatches didn't come on my hand or on my arm that good, but I think the quality still looks pretty amazing and they feel super soft. So now for the highlighter, starting with this shade right here, and it's super pigmented so far. Look on my hand. Hey guys, so I did put on a lipstick already, so I won't be using these cute little lip glosses, and I actually talked to myself for the past 3 minutes because I thought I was recording, but I didn't press record. So well, I did swatch the two lip glosses and that's what they look like. They are super glossy and I think the smell is super sweet. Not on a like bothering way, but in a good way. Okay, so I will definitely be trying out the highlighter first, and I think this gold shade looks amazing. So I'm going to start with this. So I'm just using my usual highlighting brush by BH Cosmetics, and let's see. Okay, it's super glowy. The only like makeup I do own from Primark is actually their like liquid highlighting drops. They pretty remind me of the Jeffree Star ones he just came up with, and yeah, I haven't like had a face palette or a eyeshadow palette from PRIMARK before, but this palette is super cute. So super cute. So yeah, I do have a little bit of highlight on my nose already from Becca. It's the Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill. So yeah. But it does look cute, you guys. It does look so cute. I love it. Okay, so next for the eyeshadow, I think I'm starting with this matte brown shade right here for like the transition shade, SD transition shade. Well, so yeah, I'm using a Zoeva brush. And well, let's see. Okay, it looks good so far. Just go on super smooth. It doesn't have like a lot of fallout at all, which is cool. So yeah, using this for my crease, as I said. For my eyelid, I'm really curious about these. Whoa, about these shades right here. So I think I'm starting with this shade, and it looks so cute. It's not only shimmery, it has literally glitter in it as well. You can see this, but this looks so cute. I think you can create day looks with this palette, but also like dramatic looks. Because with this lipstick on, I don't really want to like put on too much dramatical eye makeup look. And now I go in with the same transition shade and just blend this in. Next I go over with a clean blending brush. Just blend that in. I think it looks so cute, you guys. I don't know, but I really love these shades. Underneath my eyes, I think I'll go for this brown shade right here. You can see this. And put it right underneath my lower lash line, and the makeup is done. I will be highlighting my inner corner now and underneath my brows, and I think I'm going for this like white highlighting shade. It's not that white, it looks kind of holographic. I'm so obsessed with this palette. Honestly, I cannot wait to play with all these gorgeous colors, especially like now during the autumn time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!